Hello everyone. Before the start of today's topic, let me ask you one question. If I have to play music on my computer, what should I do? Shall I ask, "Hey computer, can you please play music for me?" What do you think? Is it going to play the music? The answer is absolutely no. Why is it so? This is because computers don't understand human language. Then what language do computers understand? Well, they understand zeros and ones. If we have to communicate with the computer just like humans, we have to talk to them in their language. That is, zeros and ones. But it's very difficult for us to write commands in zeros and ones. That's why we the humans develop programming languages. We write code in any of the high-level language having keywords similar to human language. Then it gets translated with the help of interpreter or compiler into bytecode that goes to a virtual machine which finally converts it into a machine language. Let's discuss what is a programming language. A programming language is a formal computer language or constructed language designed to communicate instructions to a machine. It can also be used to create programs to control the behavior of a machine. In other words, we can say, programming is a way for us to give instructions to computer. We give an instruction to the computer and it follows it. Without a code, computer programs would do nothing. For example, we will not be able to play music. We will not be able to Google things. We will not be able to move cursor over the screen. That's why we need a programming language. Let's find out what are the most promising and demanding languages of 2020. Here we have JavaScript, Ruby, Python, Java, Objective-C, PHP, C, C++, Go and CSS. From this pie chart, we can easily observe that most of the market share is taken over by the JavaScript. Then you might be thinking, why Python? Why not JavaScript? Let's check it out. Python is an easy to learn, powerful programming language. It has efficient high-level data structure and a simple but effective approach to object-oriented programming. Its elegant syntax and dynamic typing, interpreted nature, and availability of free and extensive standard library makes it ideal for scripting and rapid application development in many areas. So these are some features of Python. It's a high-level programming language, easy to learn. It is interpreted and not compiled. It means the interpreter basically executes the program line by line, whereas a compiler executes the program simultaneously. It is dynamically typed language. It means when you are writing some code in Python, it will automatically prompt you whether you are doing some spelling mistake or you have written a wrong syntax. GIL means Global Interpreted Lock. It means it allows only one thread to hold the control at a time, even in a multi-threaded architecture with more than one CPU core. It is more productive, rich set of libraries and frameworks, and of course, it has a very large community worldwide. It is one of the most loved programming languages by developers, data scientists, software engineers, and even hackers too. With its near perfection, Python is named as one of the top picked programming languages of most universities and industries. What makes it more irresistible is that its broad application to other fields and limitless possibilities to create amazing things out of scratch. Now these are some industries that are currently working on Python. You can see most of the big companies, they are switching to Python. Now, it can be used in the multiple programming paradigm, web testing, data extraction, artificial intelligence, web application, database, and cybersecurity. That's all for now. We will meet with some new topics in the new video. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.